All right. Memea. Hey, memea. Kawari ya pupa na ya. Neya saya. Neya saya. Na wunga fara kuguma yi kubana. Katangban kara damde maya. No ka earthquake. Na nga fara har kuguma na tuko heti ya nan bando tanga. Buku ko de sarma ni nyasum kamale ya na nga fara bibidde ga banda dwaka kakare. Nen ompa dagbang ompa tuduna. Kalle ba gamsun ni ne sun karfiya ya. Nun wani shiri na tutum tuwama. Tabarakallah. Neya saya. Memeya. Katininiya. Lalakati payarliya. Okay. Zoom program la very, very packed. And it's going to be very, very interesting. Nyasama biye melche ya. Doso nuku bord mungu sham. Tiyan vole mo gurna to amatuli. Alekawle ma katiyan paltene nyedene. Pawden gam katiyan zanti japaru na kankudurana na tatamlana. Tihne morna mun chembina dan hanye vietitina. Won gafara katakana tizante nitu bosi nyanya. Tintu pal alkawle shelten bani tuniya zaha masashara kam yaram yesu kapibu le pune soka on tasham karanan ka sokpang man pune karanan halten mamman banna da amfani ne la lapina ne la ne ngoma ya kati pang man pune karanan ma ai pa gutul kan ne ta pine ka no yada na pinma tallah nyale na puka paaya okay bana masababiya pune ka hafizu kan kara dunimo tallah nyale na puka pa pam yoma ka bebe kantanga ka jor boy ka balala number 1 star of a program den nyeden cherngoma ne puka pa apam na nga barka nan api bu puriya pambu ma san hatta la barka kan nan da marhaba na api dinye yamangle den katiyan ne dede okay chakan labna tuluma ta chaka bang na wa'ara yulun bu da hafizu jala afa mahman kan shadap al hafiz aka gfes shitobina nyasi yanga politin bitum ko bisan karasu goble bomperle ne tfarle andabu no hungarum ka wa'ara ya pupa nati buzoya nchaka su palgala kan malanya la kunyu to gole bihan bi akarapuni no durgu so to bola alquran no kun fa yakunu no zazo katabu kafna ne kanala tabarakallah dede ma ka bo ma denya ntv te sa sel de yar abal ma ka bo ma ya bala abachirum abapram abagabe abayirga kayibul simin bala ya ka hay bala japaru na kan kuturana na tatamlana munan nan ambina san hakatar ka tabang yamangle ka saate de kamil ka dole talanya na adrin amfani ma talsiya okay an bu program shir ma ya de butun la yala da man nindo ma da ka biyan batiyar ku kwal ma batiyar din biya nya ga kan alam no ma ya program ma yulun bodo din chana karbe tv station shel din kam kamana pun yala ma all right program ma ni yen ma pun mire to amadi nan kana ye sanzan to program ma ya telle rabbi habu puni nye to ashel din chana kam amfani ta amin ashinel za hanan banyindi katata na ti ya targa sa shel gan to sang na niveau sabieto amana jande ka chana to duwona da ban pam yen ba ho kamidi priya okay chakanda ti ga ka ban kamane ya no wahna balama no sul sa ma ka mal warwa ma ya buma la zule to mal warwa o sa'i so she azan sulu da ban pam yen na nin da ta ama din nyamru chuti ilher lama ya ne ya saya de zoom program about double track system kat ya yin zan kana ya te bala 2 interviews very very interesting of course first interview ma yin jitmu kul ya pulu den mampurgu ya no kat yin ka kul ya there's this great artist okay chakan ya le branya la ndir bayi inna ba mi dal shel din chaka yuna piana ma mi te ya tir pule le two great artists ma ya nuku yenta hankal gelasham ai te ne kaman mampurgu ya no ma yila den yan tunduna tudumona katogumdi yala ni video nima katogumdi yala ni show nima katogumdi yala ni collaboration nima there was these 2 young guys ka bolba ne dan shele abatele la yarngoma da selan kani kayan ba ye go ba ka chama la particular guys ngoma okay be you know on drop yela ka bolla la yela ngoma ya no old soldier den katien premier zon ya ye to ami biela yela ma pour ye to avec pour pa mama mami no wa don no controversies bien katia e pe yela ma yela okay senior bon jaranya na mun tere ya to no po haye yula taba then your first segment of the interview ma kat 10 cameras ma around there's this multi-talented artist ami tiembolo la rapper tiembolo la singer tiembolo la raga dancehall artist hal gospel ba na nga for zuma ba no da bishino otin yil simpa yila ngone nyango ne sadek shi all right la particular young guy ngoma ya until one time kamino no interview fi ka popular demand ya nela la one time na da ba no la labna ko da la labna teacher ka tuduna yoma ne kantanga ka bo nya simpa mo ba shana rap okay ola labna with another great talent of a track ya la track ma ka bola ne king of kings ye to abere pour because o bola ban shaw yul de pour ka shab yul bu bolé ka on bol shama kan ya ne ban nye kins ma be mu nye kin ma okay de ba yeto aben ka tien ton ne ya de so one man ne la sinya bon jara ka tinago kana ci ka sadek sheshi ko ba kana ka tin yerin char shamya ci kan te ga ka bang ne banma menacing food spices nte pa Maristops Ghana nte pa supernatural green tea banam yala za hanya bambi alsikiti ma puna ka programme ka de kan na ma ya ko nte la talan quick one kalabna ne labna ya na won ga fara ka mine first artist ma won ya sinya bon jara ka to pa yu tawe ara chan ka tanga I will not back after this
Nurlati nang ban sous le zo zonko live the healer tea men supernatural green tea na ngandu kama tampiel ngap satrana
yisono ti to na ngondo ya no shama
ma ko Michel mbay yisono ti taman nango wata man nango den tuna nan shama na amili ma jili di pan nango do mbala shama do mbala ha
no boao
vous ma goro ngozo
de sa
ya mbe ngu chalala ya mbe zola chana chacha kan bang do nya di pan nango
tin mongela banzanti la mel shel car viel pamtene vo shaba mel vum gel mosra shichir duro tin ngola pansar yani sel nang banana ka bore jidule ba mel solam gel mosra la gba bom ti ngoshi zo yale talgo nyele kan gbana zo be zabre gel mosra nyele ti ngola viel pamte ba mel stroke ne ban pa ba sabsar ba do men ba piar jienam kar ba piar la
andula ne je ngor le pam o kumule pa mo ko en pa ma hal ka zaat nege
supernatural green tea igba
Mr. Ibu yana pansur ko nang buna police shemu pamte ala tima be energy drink ko nura ashe o bangla ashilma derinye o live the healer tea no supernatural green tea bambor tea won benyel pike gombla san do kulo ku pharmacy alasa Mohammed be Central Mosque Minaj supermarket e na par enterprise karbeje karayele asia Sirina supermarket Total filling station dembe pass and garden la asia fibe tamal da kurlana ne Mr. Ibu su to be sank par la tisa
Mba, what can I keep people? No one had to do a camp so I woman no.
Mba bugana ha to do
only natural
green tea
supernatural green tea the master healer
Get up.
0243 07 5694 024 333 9530 020 27 46 141.
Alright, yes saya tabarakallah meme ya katiya ni ya warapu panna nan bantu ne karapuni tibiyan gabtaba straight out katiku en changla ya man ko yela ye first interview ma senior bon jara o drop yela ka bolen old soldier de yeto akati yen yela ka premier yela video ma zanta ya very quality of a standard video ma no nambo nyanya mi mule mali tudu mona ko mali be ture tenkere puni senior bon jara
Yeah.
superstar.
Oh yeah.
Superstar. This is unbelievable cash makana da pakana. Nyarlani.
I don't mal the yield.
Lao
Yeah, mal the yield.
cash kana we lo kana.
See, I took woman.
La.
That's your
Ma
man.
lo ro ma tulali.
Yeah.
De kaso ana.
La muna.
Tungum Maro so.
I go there.
All right, tuku twam yetu ani. On a very quick one. Ndami ukinyala ku.
Yeah.
Tozon dapseno akonkana.
Yeah.
Ula group ma ino nalebe de la bien maka kuna kuzango ma na di unvopse tetana.
Yeah, bohaka boha group mangun na bien.
Okay.
Yeah, group man na yala campaign pa. Ya ne jinkulu ma pro.
La bo la kan borba sura kan ko ma kan
Ay ya ne jinkulu ma pro.
la kan buru.
Yeah. Group man na bien ne kana ko ya campaign ya.
Very well. Ka top line oba
Oh yeah, obeyine.
obeyine.
Top obeyine yeah.
So an be yirshel ma akonko nyele.
Yeah, nko nyele.
Ka ula ka minu bele ila this is it's quite some time now. Tell ki aminu megila. Ka yila tie yina karanya akonko.
Ya maluma mini yuma wanye sema all the time RTC benede tuni na ben sele de new.
Okay.
Maybe sometimes the tune to banana ben sele can surprise the fans, like they will think more about but to tie but so you
Okay.
understand and then later kabania artist no one never plan any shell more no so the care to us
Ka wa shel kan.
no
So fans ma bana expect them come.
yeah the two no because ngoma gba na Nigeria na magba bravo mili.
Okay.
So the two come mali la ka ku dwe for the Garcia Ponga.
Okay.
Those one be on process.
Okay.
But na year na shoma me solo na the company all the time. Atisha ban ku miere nder ba yi. Cutting mere 1-1.
Yeah.
Catala mera bubu Garcia, so don't cook it to a shell.
I didn't know could be
But nonetheless, so don't cook it to a shell.
Okay. You mean like I'm editing your shell up on your laptop?
No, mommy, to the young people, mommy, to grow industry map, so the opportunity, there's no need. The opportunity none.
Okay. All right. Let's look around you guys. Because some time ago, that woman about management here and first, madam, when I got management, yes. This time around, I couldn't know that the Navy. There's someone supporting.
Yeah, management man when I still tell Kumala management problem.
Okay.
Because then that worker no summer.
No.
It's like ma immediately to the kutu move the Sanshaza. So the para limit shaka dinya little problem.
Okay.
Ahead and then to dark music my chanting that board this year ma carrying problem. How to own manager ma bigger to boss rack on map.
Of course.
Boss number someone that push it to pan number ma ganu. So the mpana kama tungwa savne kabun shira mami be ngom balancer ma to pada jishana karna balance so sieza na ko balancer ndole la ma anto yetla nyanga zani ya baya yezu so tungwa ko beni tunna kuzi sansha tungwa ndir azama but wangwa kuso na entertainma tina to nyangwa na to sonta ba waya ngombura but then abato to sanzano basana no nyanga pushite katlango ino.
Wow. Yeah. Okay. Chakambu hanyanya because kaman ayele ya kazo ki peyira.
Yeah.
In hal ayele nyanga antu pamna kaman donc we nan kan man pour yila kare la ni because temine ka bison ka.
Yeah.
But that pa la sa chele kare no fere ta.
Yeah.
But then that ku ni ka kunya people singing typical mamperle. Ka nye to ama mamperle ko bala ka ma video ka no collaborations ka no issues and karamin kumario everywhere. You know that kind of true. That is why. I'm not really around ma. I'm not satisfied with current crop of Mampru musicians Shabankana industry man be sharing Mampru. I'm not okay come and then Shama Vinyana.
Oh yeah, they change him man not happy.
Okay.
But still I need the lamo.
Okay.
I need the lamo. I'm a rich and not happy because Bamaran to Zobi Kabayina. Uncle Betune, Maria, and then Kambana pray and about that. Say Mampru music, Kanako grew in pass who can be level Shano. Okay. Banamalania, ne umba lang continue passing, Brothers Mazo. Kata pushing Mampolo music and Pada shot and the tea and the teach campaign. Karapa doubt.
Okay. So, I'll let him up, and when you young guys can that you ma. Jilin Sheldon Simpson was not even not Kaka come legends, come on, come on, Alice sister said, no, Ali Banda Kupia Banapa was the 2 1 the legends were what in Java. The legends were the one on your Facebook. I mean, the legends were you don't need why, but respect Jilin Sheldon Simpson was up there.
Actually, appreciate Banto on the same because man, to be so queen as live come and stars because they are now stars and Pokunya Babos. No, when you're any challenge, Shaka, one who come and maybe Bapunu son Gaba, senior bone. No, Mamban, we are okay. Don't bank to a Shaka can you problem. All right.
Nothing about how you travel. Not the time when you team about awards the Bible, the Batania, how they've been able to acknowledge you. They will like on the radio, mean in percentage, Bangba Bini money, promotion, and other stuff selling each other. Tell them not before Catanacha. But let's come back to that song. I drop you like a ball and also, Jamani, I let them out like a battle song. Yabba, you drop here and they come out Kukwe and won't call me battle songs.
Okay, I'm Washaman on the Nimbusi, my mammy. Yeah, that's a problem.
I understand.
Equation man when you see Yala, come on, you need a yin of Pali. Deeper in Malay Mangunka, you could understand it deep. So to me, campa 1 month to Bacana, you understand it to assist Mambo.
Of course.
Because you if first time, the Zuki Tisalama. No.
Okay.
Mama Manga, Nanka maybe freestyle until the book about 1 year to assist man to Arma. So I'm believing in no trap on my Kanyala Mama personally history come to Arab, but Mumis or Sozabat. Okay, yeah. So this is solo. Yes. How you believe one won't tell the market later come on Kukwe be yes. Don't perhaps solo to the Yama. All right, that's very great. Chakatin Yama Blue Melly.
Blue beat. Yeah. Hit me come on. Yeah, everything we play. Okay, all right. That's very good. Video man.
big up to director Anas.
Director Anas.
Opa man pam video man. O so ma pam.
Okay.
So ntangu mali.
No, of course. Anas no ba malu o ma pa ko kahlu ne wala biyo. Mo bi
So duma de ila bobo bane.
Ma yo to bo fi.
To kati mami de leer ma gwa Anas o ko be wala bela tamaro so si panya de sa.
Mo bo no ko ne wala buya.
Be to board branch.
Karabiya.
Yes, Karabiya.
No to ko understand. Ko be yo ko ki kana.
No to pumbi ati so tun ka problem.
Okay. All right. Chakale shows here to. I mean, when was the last time Shelky could be in the show, be come and concert be Shelky could perform it? Was never from that likely performance.
Yeah. Problem man yani me before ka programs here PDB ka tin nyang perform ki wum ne dance le dam ne tibe kwati be pama. The dance joint mara chana tin kama corona wisma. So that channel ka artist comes and a boy so able to performance here to and to enka gbara artist come kana ba to go kwa.
Okay, of course.
Yeah.
That was COVID mari piagwa.
Yeah, we talk.
So come well, you are just a while at yeah. We don't want to balance to yes, on a very quick one. Okay, Nusuha, Catherine Sunini, Cartier to come and dash like a samba yeah. So Anzala hits on shell in Damima, Catano, Jupo, Catana today in Osu Jamama, then you people like Catins and Tamaya. All right, so chapter for Ellen, Dapsilent, Canning.
Manku wasen yurko fa kachama Dafsirin kani kayan wasen yurko fa kachama Manku wasen yurko fa kachama Dafsirin kani kayan wasen yurko fa kachama Chakan ko belen yuram marakare Wai farin malla shiri Chakan ko belen yuram marakare Wai farin malla shiri Enana mi kenanga mi Ibu bangin wile mang miya ibu na dang kong kom no gumi kong ngondura yura my honey yura my sweetie mabi jojo kunyele
na bora yishe ndina jere ba futa ka kwayele
mango ngumi ya kushirwa chesi kulu agba o ngumi ya shiro Jela.
Kamare. No, I'm going to Kamare.
Okay.
No, I got familiar. To this your channel.
I am only a favorite song back. Uncle Mamma Milican. Yeah, I no be to work at the job. Uncle Milican finish. So
to Bano to work at the job. Why you come for
a poor capiara? Mampero, the poor capiara. The poor capiara. The ones as at the poor capiara. The tower the same mavi, like Yaya, so not tonight. Katumarshu, Kayo, Katir, and Legare, Kanazapi, the Tananzi, Yanala Nuri, and Yetambana, so Cotisavit, Mambudo and Bera. Holy me win the game. Bandang dampang yet and damba. Kere to Bugana to flop it. Mampilo would not Latin swapam. Dashili, Humanimus, and Mamperege, Yabanga Sistong. Mansinia bon Loncasara, Mamplemania, the Mampugavra, Desire and Mamparula. Come on your Congo Rulama. One leg your Congo Rulama. One your Chana Rulama. One leg your Chana Rulama. Someone come mad, come marry, come marry. Come marry.
Ne saya. Meme Syria bonjara ambele katibulo ko hayo taba o drop la yin shel ka bolle la particular yele ma o soja nti hadem katiem premier zone dem katien zantation kana ko yete lehi to anyanya dem bien nguna especially ben group ko ko te kana ma ne to achel dem ko bien zanjande mampru ya alma yele zakana nganyinde de zon ko so hama minti yinga katidele la video ma kala ya Syria bonjara na ko bien de chankanta o soja.
Bulu on the beat, Senior Bonjarai again. So it's a hit, so let me win the game. Ndabanang Yampa Gambaba. Ama yung Ndwazio, Kambaba Chanan to my video. One yellow Mambia, a Rabanang Yampa Maya. Ama lend your opinion, lend the Sankantarina Ponga. Lend some Ninkura Jilma, a Babukata Samal Joya. Mbagano on the tare, Mbagano on the tare, yeah, Mbababu the tare, Mbababu the tare, Blue Beats, Kalasagaran Sagama say mama, hey, Batariman Sagama say mama, hey, Kalasagaran Sagama say mama, hey, only me with the Baba Bunaman Sagama, you're never die. You're born a bone man. Syria bone man. You're do osorma. Also they never die. Kanazam basela man yabana. Sonsu wakazo panda zindangwa. Mbajire yungu number kungwa. Muro kam to mamoya. Sasu kungwa amalobya. Tengbanan sulema manjia. Banjalan jitsa sutira. Zugu hurma kame bila. Mirkiti yama kame tamla. Zugu hurma kame bila. Mirkiti yama kame tamla. Nafla mena anzalaga zafi mamayuni kanunde. Mbolan tibuga tibulli laka jankatin katom salyuri. Timbala mena banti vida mena umpini wumpala buri. Seka yala dam nagbano. Seka yadam nagbano. Seka yala dam nagbano. Seka yadam nagbano. You're born a bone man. Syria bone man. You're do osorma. Also they never die. You're born a bone man. Syria bone man. You're do osorma. Also they never die. Madam Sumaya Legui. Worma kamebia. Why Madam Mesuru? So worma kamebia. Castro destroyer. Worma kamebia. Bogalasco, Macamebia. Eagle FM DJs, Yaur Macamebia. Tamal DJs, Yur Macamebia. Sekayana dum nabano, Sekaya dum nabano, Sekayana dum nabano, Sekaya dum nabano.
Hey, neya saya. Meme ya tabarakallah. Senior bon jara katukude. Nna subhana maya. Oh soja ne bwana mina za hanosham. Quick watch katana call. Big ups to you, big ups to you. Blue Beat, everything you play is a hit. I understand now. Hey, superstars the engineer. Super. Where is on the video?
Oh, very.
Where is on now?
Ato mami, idi wala intro mana wusham choko.
So ko
yeah. Amyo ya torbo yara masham mari.
Tu pomele, bu boya. Maro no panye lyrics ma fe yara. So that any perception that you na ko e be fulu ma. If I so ba shi yanka Gabriela ya. All right, so ko le ka to gum jel for teacher ma.
Okay, denenye. Bulu on the beat. Senior Bonja right again. So it's a hit, only me win the game.
Okay.
Ndabaning yampa gambaba. Amayung ndwazia. Kambaba chanant mapiria. Wani yala mambia. Irabaning yampa maya. Amale yampiria. Lenda zankantari na poya. Lentum ninkura jilma. Ibabukata samal joya. Mbugano anditare, yeah. Mbugbabu nditare, yeah. Kala sagaran sagama se mama, hey. Mbatare mankula mase mama, hey. Mbababu mankula mase mama, hey. Yurumbo bon ma. Senior bon ma. And Yurun Duru was ma. Also they never die. And Yurun bon ma. Senior bon ma. And Yurun Duru was ma. Also they never die. Ganaza Bansela Maniyabana. The Mansun Wakazo Panda Zindawa. Mbedere yung number kongwa. Moro kam to mamaya. Sazu wa amanbia. Tengbanan zulma manbia. Banjalan jiksa sudira. Duzugur makame bila. Mirkiti ya makame dema duzugur makame bila. Mirkiti ya makame demla jama duzugur makame bila. Mirkiti ya makame demla. Mampela mana anzalaka shafi mamayune kananga teya. Bolan tebuga bolla ka katen katon zal yuria. Dambela mana banzivida mana ompine wampala bogore. Seka yala dam na baano ya. Seka yala dam na baano ya. Seka yala dam na baano ya. What's up?
Number Purlaman ya, oh no the day, oh cover ya, yes, yeah. I mean, typical of a Mampuru, Yilaka de Maya. Yes, language go Maya, cover the land yasi. Sorry, you need typical Mampuru, you enjoy Lomakawa. No, there's no come one boil a farmer. Why Kalam Mampura love Mampuru Yalwa?
This young promise me. I took a year one person, this full program as I talapa.
Aba,
serious.
I the chap to kill us all.
My arranging them serious Kaya.
To good I think I mean that's very wonderful. Yes, Yilama, let's go into the song.
Yeah.
Lyrics are very, very deep. Yes. I mean, how can I say the will it inspire Castle? Shellen Nankanya be behind the Casa?
Yeah, when I didn't check me so Tam Shabani in and upon it to the Tumne. Casiba Buminium Pili Casim, but a lot different. Because like you know, Trabella Dashi Shani.
Okay.
So Gamba Sokolma.
Okay.
That is the Azama Gwen. Then while I did you know come back, you know, yes. When okay, so one chairman no, not arranging any Tina for a new song. When okay, they don't want to find because mine's your Batabron song on my phone because in parents is even back Gamba and then Asiva Kasima Lambe, Walla, and then Kasiva Bena Yoku. And then Al Nayok got bigger to New York City in Tangoncola. Okay. You understand? No. It's the power mile back between Walla and it's like phone. Come on, Jimmy tattoo.
Okay. Very close.
Good. So, Kuyel Mane, found Sibara Ben Halba and Bakara Bella Bene. Can you understand? Okay. So, Bene Karachana mine, the two name you share. Okay. About Babang Mam begins in like. You understand? Come on, Mamba as a Macantima, Mantu Yumushim, Jananti as a Macamas, yes. Katama Pinisim, when you forget about that Pinishamas and I have to appreciate. Yeah. So, yeah, can pick music. My Instagram, Mama. You understand? Kalamba, put my Sugmashima. That's all. What I in
Oh, okay. All right. Very good. Very good. Okay. La Procania. Tell up to the Yila Object for Kanya Shao.
And Dabanang Yampa, Gambaba. Amayun Dwazia, Gambaba Challenge Mapidia.
Okay.
One Yelmambia, and Rabanang Yampa Maya. Amale de Apinia, Lend the Sankantarina Ponga, Lentum Ninkura Jilma, Ebabukata Samal Joya, Mboban one the Tiari, Mbobabun the Tiari, ye, Mboban one the Tiari, Mbobabun the Tiari, ye, Alasigar Sagamba say Mama, hey, Mbaba Burman Kulma say Mama, hey, Kalasigar Sagamba say Mama, hey, Yurumbo Bonma, Senior Bonma, Yurun also never die. So I won't be a Shama, Imam Bano.
No, of course,
just clear. Mama Tari or Mayeta.
Okay. All right, but I didn't let Shapulia, didn't come on to well in the assumption. I didn't no song someone carry. Nama Kazan the boy. Keep a shelter whom you shall not conquer here. Come on, Kadashi, yes, Yilabadam, yes. To Pafu, you know, Akana. Who are song some car, who are song some car, them Janmaki number 3. Be in the Shelman, but can I be who can Sasa?
Yeah, Jeffries, Imam Mene come on, maybe Tunkuza Mampugo music, Kantuna, 2015, 16, 17, 18, up to 19, 2020. Turns out Mampugo music on Tuna, Tamarua, Ghana, Kwakwaza. Never need that palace,
of course.
So, tell Mamma personally, Arjiki Katraman. So, after the number of someone that's one to my uncle jump down, Bella. Setting a hall, I don't quit check no. Maybe the mayor because your family was wire. May no one Purugu, no, the bomb, no, the bomb will one Purugu, your family man. But I saw that two in an ola. Uncle have a senior bone, could young Pada shall do to no Palma. And then Bambunyang another day. Got a try like a minia, senior bone, no okay, or Miyuma. So why not car? So he's searching like Artumala Okaman, some I would do move from Mambo same. And then you Mamma Mala want him. In busy for work. Don't want to equal and busy music and lama. You understand the Babula always keep your canny. So didn't can you put on bear music and all the time bet tomorrow. because of mbenang la lang kuto unsolved problem zancha music ma da azia yes say ka yuma ma sagra down so at least the two name maybe mama da mbe asile na busy ne nyanga nya bela chana unkumbukata ma ka so ko be si nyanga supporter maybe the time para tam shaya ka music ma gwana to grow kan ba ipa to song manga so you said yes so you said ka banyanga nyela la son sumba I have to complain that's why kana son one can so pandazi ndamwa because maybe you number on kwa because the termate am be you ni be mo kunyewe understand what that's the shamba
wow that's very great, that's very great. And I mean my program I mean this time around Hatiku Buboli ba there are so many people around there can now
yeah
yes how come to support
yes
I mean this is a great talent, this is very great talent. Catherine Lane explained it come on so and it wouldn't take more than a match that now when you come on at least some 2-3 songs kind record it to video kind to big collaboration share kind to sometimes a single track can do the magic, just one track with a quality video, big quality recording, big quality collaboration of a song, then it does the magic. So let's try and see. I mean, Bishop Biane, the deeper shall now boil be about Indian boil so you can come into a be utamla than the Simpson on Bishaba. I'm Yamama, Bamama, Mampuru, Mulnipi Ason Shama, Gato Boil Bar Yala comes out. Ison Shukurbe, Ison Panama, Yili the Moma, beautiful Maria, not just one side here, so that you can look around. Help over Fumrana, but you can detect that talent based on it. You can just support with your little either collaboration kind of video kind of to be share up with me. I mean, it is great. So let's see what happened. All right. I was no ya ma I mean, I was the baby about 10 ma. But boy, let acknowledge ya baby thing ya pini. But she ya can you possibly come okay. I'm eating my whole time here.
Yeah. Okay, first, I was under this man. I want to try Bella Tamalwa, and then before Kabate organize Lala, I was man. Travel to their good information. Also come because artists when you say ma, ek pangani manga. The one necessary name chanty and ya, but nominate me. Ek pangani manga. Halba nominate ma, they'll just call you or to bola to nominate. Yeah, so Baraban Lala, so Ben Maka to Barako Guardi. And then second one, Shaka and that channel Momana. Anas rapang umang because ura call my yelma that be until hours yaka so umpang man kanula kabanom needs man kanda yelo actually the problem is ye antis hours category 6 ambe maza senior artist mama mang yang antisam bang category yaka santun numula you understand so that particular time traka trending video like video shelter 2005
active
traveling active that particular time track a hit song popular song best video shelter to 2000 so track will be active kanda yellow oh no ma observe see ma ti yina imagine ma propose amino command me star nyama
superstar
bismaza
yes
so yina mbur be sel kabanyaka lapsala mamanyang
of course
yes bamong yang wakan tuarge but ngabang la bambur be shilima because that time I'm not active.
Okay, that was
can yell anas okay you should hold on.
Okay,
after that you know with them next time you panatumba men and track season you know filing for hours. You understand?
Okay,
kare yellow Korean yellow okay then mongba pangana mang industry man pang so okutu chama free.
Okay,
so kabarat ma citation.
Wow, okay.
That award ma citation.
Very well. Okay,
so ndabo mine kama itumbu market to abananza kana so yeah so anas one that award ma binshi.
Okay, then that's very great.
Yeah.
I mean basically my
yes
board member that organized them. I think that was very good of you guys to think that even actively won't be no part of categories there's a need to appreciate this effort
yes.
I mean that was wonderful. Sometimes I citations sometimes I appreciate it more than an award.
Yeah,
because it looks like believing
yes.
Yes. But I mean inside few people in your command you really deserve it.
Yes.
So that's big ups to organizers there are some things I the fan base
yeah namalania because in example shapo fan base free so now pumpo can active.
Okay.
So then active man Antonio when shot them be around
Oh soldier ni you know what is next? I mean, I'm plan ala drop you on your own. Be that shit love na. Bien ku you ma aje na ma. Tepa ko nyara ko ko you know.
Ato college ka maybe ka team ma call no lanka na NTV.
Kariya akoko lanka na.
No halim me ma item kana ko dun muna ko ku shi aka gulu ko ma.
Ko han tu kan show.
Inde ko kan ni show dun yela ba.
Anyway, that's very great. To meet senior bone jarapo han yoro taba and to take the group shanda ben katbon bana dan shale. A very great group. Kabra yili suma pa. Hal ida mala yili shale. This something na now jama yila daniel.
Yeah, clap for God.
Clap for God. Yes, jama yila daniel. I mean, the barano very inspirational. Yes. The middle for han yoro taba to ko lehre na tinya mta ya sheldon pun no nyaga na na bi to no den nan. Apart from that, we drop la yila kamana pun yila ma kapo la yila ma usuja. I mean, a very insightful song. Hankal be yila ma pun pam. Ne kana te yila namba na mabi anye nye video ma sha pulu ya. But mbor man na so man pru ya alma sa hanan banyindi. The industry ma de bela pora. I mean, we have about 2-3 radio stations around the northeast region ma. Kana chenche bangwa ko piani. I mean, spinners, public spinners mini iren bangwa ko pian ko bashir ganda. Bandam zan ha imala contribution, imala in tapson ka industry ma ka resulu fe yanga, especially ba mal talent. Bi banda me pun non le tenya ba yibi ma kana ka shaptu dwel nyanga ka chen fe yanga mo ade tam ya ya. And again, infestation ba bini ma I mean, to my political leaders, come influential people, ka bini ma za ha. One year ma ki tapson guys mo ma. And let's see what happens. Bande no pulo kat the bar ni go promo. The partner or boy no all right, DJ me present has been man. Then come and ask about how you know me.
Yeah, you mama kunumbo DJ so I am wale Eagle FM DJs. Ba the tunu ba wurma kama mbabia. So mblive ne man taba sharaf shama banyala bana promote song man to Eagle FM. Yeah.
All right, then jump in yala. What apart from bana ka ko na po I mean, mampuru ya alma bi bango tabe so team.
Oh yeah, my push yala emene mpuso na chane biawazwa woni nye na abo
alright
won utuzop maza chapi na malum batongba na masonga ka tebene karamasa
alright
and then mpuru Wyman and then wongo Agata Nation nerval lawa ko go yiri nyanga Agata Nation wongo and then Saudi ladies ma bibi
yeah of course
butala pa ni no
ma Kantema bi ai mara ku pela puru kala yi
big up to what do you call it Saudi ladies
of course
yeah and then Latif and then Harry Mr. Harry
very well
Mpusum chana Mr. Harry Basane
of course
and then pass fan base my
yeah you tell them wal Castro ko hunto
yeah Castro my new video
yeah superstar
ogo be video man. Yes. So Castro, big up to Castro.
Yes. You tell Allah biala gambaga na yiri wesi simbala ma ne gambaga za hanang bayi ne tupur ka paru mun kamza hadba program ma wali na lirigu gambaga limpisi I mean overseas anyway akunya ma shapulu ma program ya alma za hatupu ka papam yes the team magba nta dabsa yi ngona saluna kanna la ya alma pam I mean ku kama ne kishaba bila la komo mana kana na shaba tana ku suru that we are still doing prayers kali nyer contre asansan na minute politician bamba neti yala kala sanam kaman la of is yalo ma anta ko warsonsam le individuals dina ka ko maldi amma yiko kana tu son la komo mana kishaba ma ima satra kamala ima matres nam kamal bi peshit nam kamala bi den ka ko mal bentir bu nyere bi hala akumala lare arsikina tu somba I mean, you can just get along with those people, ma. Katinya arbani zang ason sem zang tabasham. Ne biela betunwel niya. Dunda ya nungun ta ka alam. De wuhrama ne rite biela pul ne pale. De zote pamote man katele niya. Tende tu tapson le ya alam washam ya. I mean, I was discussing it with management of NTV. Netinya tinyen patu tu conscient. Kaniru bambi yono be kantana ka ne tu zang beson sem na. Katela ade be ya nga zang te tamabe bambi ni mani. De la komo ade tumparna pam. Kalina komdu jandi izan de terkom lati nibelih la yitu alma yuna kamza ha ba'da dam bi yulu bahdi tum la barna dimana wala kariyan nan kala la barna ma kar tum da la ba'da dam ma kutuli bu la bar la ni ma yuna shirka ya So let's look around that issue. Can you ring your all right? Take a year and kapu kapapa. But the Simpson at my number. Be body you know, I mean, be in yellow shapulu, baby to call the number. What's happening to Babi save a link to that particular video on a very quick one. Chapsa.
Okay, Dinan Kari come on Bora Yilama. Yeah. No Kujitung after Tungo. To search Bonjara. Okay. Music, YouTube. Very well. Yaban to Yellow. And then Bilan Kana Instagram. Okay. Kapulan type of Bonjarama. Yaban to follow Makayela. Okay. Yeah. And then later, maybe Yilamatal Bahama. Number shelter and be. They been to Dwelekanye, La Yilama to appear. Okay, so participate maso. All right, that's very great. Dina Kale, you will be counting on you left this maso and your number Shelly and to pick a number Oma. They can send a song to you. Senior Bunjara, thank you so much for coming to Puya. Yes, I'm Puya Maza and when you did. All right, the Jarkana Pugomaya, Mampuyala is the double track system. One great talent of an artist in the Kanatuma. When you senior Bunjara would drop like a Kapola, particular young man, oh soldier. Lyrical content in that song, man, very deep. Nusu hapam ka dole enti research kam zawune kurga nahzan chan kurganu anyele la yila ngoma dan soro bi akamya kana tin namba shanga dan paya antu bolla namba ngoma ka sele la yila ngoma ta ya. All right, man purgu ya alma za hannan banyinde to puru ka par su kama za hannan banyindi nan bambi ni asansan ma ta taba na banyar kar sana na na barka no ipam le punya. Okay, tientene la camera is ma around ka data lan kalabna flash one ko nyele ti labna another artist is coming through, multi-talented artist. I mean rap and you be singer be gospel. Bama ya ko no be simpa. Sadik Shishi is next. All right, pin love now. All right, neya saya. Mimi Katiani ni le tabarakallah. Number one star of a presenter on the Chanakaya Gomaya. Mampuya Yesu Dabselemo, Tamala double track system. One man agaria senior Bunjara on drop you Shanakabal and also Jama. Then Katana Santana, Katana cameras around. I mean, to an artist, very difficult to come on, I explain. I mean, singer nyobe, rapper nyobe, reggae corner, dancehall corner. You be simple corner, be baba, to yes. I'm talking about the great talent of an artist, Sadik Shishi. Let artists who are the Chokatras or Umanya, Umalam managers who will be your Bang Tribby, manager Tribby. But I describe Roma as the richest musician in Northern Region. Go Conco the General, or Lord and Conco flew the Maladabia. Hello, woman, never dialogue to yeah, oh, now, okay. 10 years, this is how you to Ataya. Yes, anytime around Kalala artist, Marco, can show man, enjoy it because, I mean, he's not darling, he's not that slow of an artist. Everywhere who appear, you feel it. Had last week, man, and I watched you interview Shell on GH1, a station in Accra, Malema. I mean, he's spoiled there. Can you guys someone that get through Yinama? No, Zoma, no, Northern region, because Stajilo down the pension on the rapper Chatam. It was super classic. All right, Sadek Shishi Chanaya, Omana Yishel, Katin drop Yilamazo, you talk about Yilama Punapam. Okay, Tien Keller Bapune, Nyanya the Yamaha in Yeshel, Adozoya, to go for the streets and Pigaya. Yes. It's your boy Sadik on the mic.
Yo man, the tender.
What's up? Superstar. You need a fresh boy, can you superstar? We Kakashi la girl.
Now you go,
I mean, I'm manager. I'm Panuma. Come on, we'll start with you.
Mommy, Scorpio is unpredictable.
Come on, don't understand. Oh yeah,
unpredictable. I could predict. When Jimmy no actions. Over here, actions. So, shout out to Hassan Sharif, the general.
All right, general, that's also no, near from Kapsapan when you come. So, I mean, no, Sham. Not more than starting. Let's start. I mean, what do you have for the fan base them? I mean, yeah, need to describe my let's go. I mean, if anyone, all
right. Yeah, call me the boss of the game. We know the rap for the fame. The chef that they took us and if Brown know my name. Don't try my team, not a game. I rap the boss for your brain. In Yilang, we'll take the we still go sell like okay. So call me the game changer. The band rap defender. Come to Kanyana, so they can pass now. I'm not a damn stranger. So nigga, don't venture. I cannot take my danger. Who like they can everybody they claim the best rapper. So now I'm pissed off. Come on, you the switch off. Give me best rapper, but to my beat. Seconds, but they don't see top. I'm a politician, you're not too tough. I'm going to finish the guy, the speech wrong. Shish! shit. Yeah, man. You niggas the ball me. Who to come out so you could join me. Rank at the money toffee. But no so now the copy. You one rubber my hobbies. And this is I'm taking the trophy. Like people laptops. Don't try me. I'm living my legacy. We started from Genesis. I'm gonna let you come to do cemetery. Don't test me. I flow like Hennessy. People go you know that people shop double like NSU. So now I'm pissed off. They switch off. Came in back shop and bet my beat 20 seconds, but I don't see top. I'm going to see yellow two top. Shit. Not again entertainment.
It is not again entertainment, yeah. Yes, on a very quick one. Last time Shelton that meet about that drop play, yes, I mean Wednesday.
Yeah, man.
Wednesday is banging around. I mean, it's doing the magic, man. Let you know this time around, access cinema. I mean on social media, video promotion. How far? Who like the channel?
Nah, like you man, the man miracle. Like wow. Team planning, shame near the channel. Yeah, the channel over than that. Like the channel more. Yeah. Like people are calling from far places. Yeah. Places we don't even think. Nigeria knows that, but people calling them now. Wow. So like seriously, shout out to everybody supporting massively. Thank you so much. Empire Pump. I also in the show, like mama, like it's surprising.
All right.
Be expecting love, man.
Very well. Tell us more, I mean, it was really difficult defending you that Dagbanenya. But more I yell like a Sukamada Hawumli.
The thing from being Punyamo.
So I will let us start. Maybe the way I hope start. Yeah. Okay. Cast at our school.
One SS Channel can channel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Community Max Entertainment.
All right.
Support my
okay. Oh, okay. That means I spend a whole lot of time by young.
Yeah. But that blue material convocate school. And so first bus, mommy. In first bus over. Sometimes I to go my vacation.
Let's look at this time around Atima. Yeah. I mean, who like plan keep my channel because I've seen you almost everywhere. You are in Accra, you are in Kumasi, Achama, Tamale. You are just traveling around. I mean, Tima, what's in plan for you? And people don't know the Shama.
Yeah. My team is really amazing, and I want to take this opportunity to thank them. Like they are doing so well. Yeah. Empire Plum, like me, not taking entertainment, man. But it's the baddest record label ever. Every artist right now should be dreaming to have the record label I have. So I'm really grateful, and shout out to my team YG, PRO, Medical, and big up yourself, Empire Plum, DJ 2K Nizar. So Empire Plum.
I mean, that few times you were in Accra, when did I actually Accra? I mean, that Punya status mean artists from a PRO, and I mean, there were a whole lot. Was it recording, video, interviews? What was it? I mean, you were everywhere.
Yeah. I mean, like Daniel accidents.
Oh, okay. Yes. Sheriff Daniel Marie.
Yeah, it was really scary. So
really?
Yeah, my face was really destroyed.
Wow.
Pictures man between and check out.
Okay. Maybe produce sending me your picture.
Yeah, man.
Moto
Malano repairs to Wabaya. So Cabo Luzumo to Mans and Bargain. Was money upon Cabo Distabra or Shishi. Like I will be to be Yara. So come on, born dirty chat in Yerma. Like Nibu Pombier come to Pova. I will tell her maybe things changing the Taka and so and as a motoman in Rashi Chanka. The phone one knows another book of a ship. Oh, and another story. So like in that time Accra was in that time. Like you don't accident, man.
Yeah.
Because fans, man, they will need something. Yeah, and being in my like that accident state, sometimes the films are in China down. So like idea can sit down with the management here about this idea. But then wow, why not?
Okay.
So can record the accident EP, 3 songs, 3 videos. So videos man can that channel. So expecting massive the band
camera with videos.
Videos, 3 videos, 3 songs, expected.
All right, very well. Tinha drop tracks on which is King of Kings.
Yeah.
Baby, let that particular EP.
No,
this one is just on it.
Tonight, bonus in
that was to me. Not
again. That's again entertainment.
Gosh, we have now we do the song. Because you to Abia. I mean, King of Kings. Start the Makunku. Then I don't know. Now we understand king. Kings. So now you pay king Maro. The rest are the kings.
Yeah, man.
So you are now the king of all the kings.
Well, I'm not saying I am. Like,
okay.
I'm involved in the fans, mama.
Okay.
Usually, it's a pang Munutozan, Tabayila, Chantu, the top song. So me, I'm the king. No, I'm not saying I'm the king. But if you see me as the king, why not? We'll let the fans. We'll let the fans. We'll let the fans. But big shout outs to Mini, like all the artists here are very hard working. To work at the pump. So we cannot get this. So question can put TT fans, man. You will man, we'll let king.
Okay. So the fans, master.
Yeah, man.
All right. Then behind the video, then we'll look at the lyrical content. Me to Amani Yelsheli, Carbonet Nini. I mean, we'll come to that one. Channel Lamana Yaha. I mean, this time around, let's look at collaborations. Apart from EP album, are you ready? Bamborne like
yeah.
Are you ready for them? Be Aban Lerishap come and Bambon. I mean, you still planning to get some songs with them? Either with Biela Yomobi, Biela and Karabi, Biela out of Ghana. What's the plan?
Yeah, I'm working on collaborating with some of the artists. Now, I'm to feature so come.
Yeah, of course.
So definitely some of the artists in Tamale and beyond.
Okay.
Northern region and beyond. So Pumpo mention Chili Filanum because collaborations mapping. Kashaba Kualuma for collaborations. But I mean, like sometimes they don't boil me because they can't get to me.
Yeah.
Like the message Rama Kambutu Mbutu Sabarababa, so Kabu boy, I shall to Rama as I now. Pumpo Piligamato. But like,
link up on you.
Yeah, man. But like, till the end, in chat to my camp, Kabi Facebook man, if you can be Instagram, and reply in there. But to can up with music which people are enjoying. Because we come the tune to bomb. Then Martin no like Ilaman and Tina enjoying ya. So Timala Eden ban to reply the team messages ban to so do kind all the time. Nature platform come. I let you know my PRO, Abdulmati Medical and YG, Mashu YG. They are like Bisha come. So how soon life gonna be? Are you done racketing? Because I could link about app. Everything will get to me. Mandeli yela sound engineer, yela video editor, and rapper. So lot time maybe
full-time artist.
I'm working on something else.
Shabiel Mamma come and sometimes they look at your status now and management man. Well, come and like some rich artists. So always Zorba. Maybe Shabiel may book those are maybe demands then can come up and you are come and never enough Fulu Shaka design. So we soon Jeremy. Shabiel Malala, they only put you on their song, but they are looking around you as don't talk to you. So check at you. Yeah.
One thing.
Be shoes, but Shabian by one was around the shoe.
First of all, we can divide the Banila to come and tap song. The Banila Chanton. So if a song is great, Yilama be Vela. Camino need to support it. That's no Yilama, no Vena, like Chanton. Definitely. I'm sharing love cities and young. I'm going to share to jump here. To go brand, you have to keep the brand. Understand? So I know you like a Gilama. I got to make this sense. Definitely, we jump on it. Don't worry. Those are them. Just speak to my people.
I do.
Just my studio, but from you studio pilot.
Okay.
We shall come here. So I'm going to know you like. Couple can do like PR studio nearby. Time. Just send me the data.
Okay.
Buy and record them.
I mean, if it's a good song, why not?
Sharp.
Why generally going to me video? To my video,
Allah.
To be more than one.
Now we there here.
Yes, tell them studio man. I mean, had other time and I hear so about you being an engineer. Yeah. So is it I'm a mangila and I'm a recorder. If a collect artist no born now work to maybe you do beats and you send them out for people, you think that beats and no this particular style the suited thing to. Are you working for other artists as an engineer? They
are engineering and that two song the difference because many businessman like guys in here.
It's not
for you to support yourself, pay for recording, pay for video editing and stuff. Like there are no hard problems. So that two songs in quality artists. Okay. But the problem is, mommy, I need a sound engineer. I need a sound engineer. Your job is to produce for people.
Very well.
Yeah, but it will get to a time like I have to work for myself, and people are also putting their projects on me.
Yeah.
Like Pumpo me management in Canada, a lot of people
expect you to bring the
yeah, man. So the tuning focusing so we can check. recorded. I'm born now in Banon track, into program maybe Shaka. I'm adding a track about recording. There are a lot of very dope engineers around. Stone B, White Money, Oja drums, Blue Beats. Now producing nice beats, CLT, colleague artists. So believe me, like. Anto message about me, Anto link about I'm born now in Banon track. Definitely we can do it.
All right. So studio Mabiela is here.
My room.
Yeah. So you don't have it. My face, my kitchen down in the studio.
Oh, it's one man can down in the studio. So kitchen beats.
But this time around now, which one by extension?
Oh, studio match actually.
Yeah, man. Now we get it. No, I put ship plus studio equipment. We shack.
I mean, now we day here. Now we day here.
Where the cars today? So.
Oh.
Yes, hiya. Maybe I said she got to me up how you the yes, from straight. Manager Tule Lama, woman artist Tule. Yes, but Kumpo you play Shana Kabol and the king of Kensma. Then Katia Yena Zoya, Anto Nura Punkana some time ago, got to drop Wednesday. I mean, it was a great song. It is pumping everywhere. Lola comes and had him be. I mean, it is on radio, on TV, on social media. La Yinama de Kuchamea, La Yinanisha, no plan, right EP album. I mean, a very short form of an album, no drop letter. Maybe after Yinamo, we'll get that one with visuals, of course. I mean, what I'm to the no that. But, Chankana Tinya, and I crack now. I mean, there was a float. Very lucky number. Lauren Nama, Kakupi, Lord, come on 20. Halka, I JJ to Betoni. Mere never he got that. What are you to Andabala?
I'm a winner's team, but look, we are the winner's team. So, Bamana Lori from maybe town center to the end of town. Lori no ye. Empire upon me that you not support.
Nobody video, man. I'm sure. Okay, video man is already produced the flash. I mean, just some short visuals. But now the airport mark and it was very great. I mean, Sharif. What was the purpose? But I put two hammers on it.
Yeah, man.
No, superstar. All right. Yes, so I'm got today telling you, I tell you, another video, man. Then you can, of course, man, just take your time, sit back, relax, listen to rap in the song. Yeah, at the Labana video, man, in content, man. There's West, you trash up your Punu Kambana, won't be here. At Labana, then look at the Zanta Zano, yeah, the John Canton, king of case from Sadek Shishi. We'll be right back.
Yeah, what's up? Jeez, could be the kid, Jeru. Shit, let's go. Rapper my partner, king of kings, let's go. Yeah. Tama no man agree to you. She family I fool you. I appreciate the things you do. I swear nobody go fit you. Me die no ku make it. Ni rap test man ni faili. Ni bana go rap crown man. Now what you call the Catholic take it. So bubo who be the winner. If what pa you me a tida. Fakuli nyama, but we turn slow. Unguru make a cheetah. She se bo so tapiam. Na go bela nyanga tamkam. If I go boom small boy, become a shaman the boys and denchem. So they can bless it for ya. I never go take my rest. And boy your question who be the best in Bella second. Nobody be first. So nigga make him know the test. I cannot take come out so you go regret me nyamuti pati mamuka se bubo to be shebi na make you no make a vest. Imini some rappers shebi jealous you no nku na ma de bunyama to the work rappers move back never time rapper makana na bibia ni me kalungeni dizu na busale no manga so ku ball man rapping go ask the fans them know that just a David the rapport somebody I need the support I'm born it nga clan take up a bang the power of north 21 years but my brain grow usuma rap man biento so ku rappers but ba flipo ba shebi ku to go rapper my partner tamale rap baba rap my channel low back they come here not today the charger King Buddha God go bless you was Amsterdam I thank you Zagabana no forget you dusty special I fool you Sharab Banyasa but this abundant rap can love the painter I never they walk alone so I too man you are in danger Kuku Shila Gili Saka Saka Buzaji la Nyanga so I try the Nakwasuka Bienza Saba Yula Nyanga Kabumbia Yamadukura ni rapper gara Nukura I feel him Umpura Yamaka Nukura Yamadutuma the Buhuma Lusuma cool boy Mambo Fura I be jump boy Tamale gets Mapa Puri rap Kapora big up to SKY Pavela ni gwane kabota Since I fast Magaso what's up I know you defeat the punchlines I swear it's a big classic I bought a come na classes the rap ni chega panty the zoo polymaga damn fancy Attack the rap James Bond shout out to rap King Kong you know that Billy from show to show together but now we dead talk I bought na bang my full free Manika bubondi sheshe double T tinyumuti katita ba what's up gafachi Nando's food a gando you know la nyara taekwondo Black Echo Nulio kan yila kabazan wara azosto I'm a killer boy makona Sadekin Francis Zoya shout out to all the northern singers here the single hold Araga singer rap Sadek I'm complete this year Pussy a gab the term Kawula, I'm on my feet. In Uruguay, hey, what's up, Brad George Cliff? Tell the nipple singing, so go to breaking record, share with this. No. I know Taya, Empire La Ghana, Chenaija, Inter La Eba, Min Egusi, sponsored by 1 naira. I'm rapper one way style, go swap your man pen pow. Nakata Zaman number to Babu rap that you just down. Yeah, Lil K, Kawa Stone, big ups to KKC. And then that's on hip life, you are the genesis. Abu Sadiq, Mama Raps, I made them high life nation. Now man, if I take you over, Johnny just come, JJ. Agree to Sheriff Gali, I call him Reggae Daddy. In that part of me, Kawumda Yila, I mean Beroki Mwali. Now when they take over the journey, be flesh, hey, a Benny. They see about that, that's true. Sheriff have to give me my baby the king. Who be the king? Jeez, who be the king? Yeah, who be the king? Shamboya, who be the king? Shishi, who be the king? Jero, who be the king? Let's go, who be the king? Shishi, Jero on the beat.
Alright, there, sire. King of Kings got to drop some time from your boy Sadiq Shishi, the richest rapper in Northern Virginia. Yes, Onola Rich, co-manager Babal, so you could hear. But the year we resort the Biana, didn't cover collaboration be carbon with Shakamaza, have you born I used to. So the couple of to Kanabakuma, Yambo, and Shata, Kaza, yes, that is what them not can do. Okay, Jakanaku so Sadik me farm base Maza, Katiga Carbon, command program Maya, Mariscopes Ghana, and Tapamina Zen food spices, and Tapas, supernatural green tea, Bandams and Hanjaba, Arzekima Punica program Maka, Kanamaya, Katabona to Puka Pam, Lelamina Zen food spices, Momadina, Kato, Ventrico Quara, be Amala Amblea be sooner. Come on, Kunya Karanya Ventrico, Pamama, Kabu, Ashil, and San of Ventrico Maya. All right. Nerinan ka borna Antonia number shanga don ku participate ma so ma ay bolle bazala amina sin food spices ma santa ya lele na nyele ka lion food spices babani lele lion food spices ma de bakkan mana karakana in different flavors ima abora chicken flavor, fish flavor, jollof flavor. Then bendin ka ko borna do e ka borna bunyo be bendir go ma puna kala mar korsi ne tip kamal alafi pang mama ka pung ba lele amina sin food spices be lion food spices ma den za hanyela dem jenya ya chicken tega ka bon kaman irin wula balla be asike dima pour ka programme la kan ma bari ñu mari stoops Ghana dana mari stoops Ghana mo ba war mo ne pour ka pa tum tum ma sa xana bayindi kayende mo billa la tum tum ma pour ma ya na na barkana ya okay dina kamal ani pa be do ka bor ala fi san jende pa to ampulu na akama man kamil wa po hayu tabya bani banama mari stoops Ghana dina ka bor ba antu ñew tamal gumbli taxi rank ay ko Pasilia food complex one sidman ko mon di shema ka chang be bani anya irin betanga GN bank yala dem betanga be sok sama Maristos Ghana nem bini ma irin dinan ka irin STDs kaman pa telefoni aborma na selfu akar be sanda be mi bormi ni bank apama na professionnel de dabala bi di cirala den ma san antu chanya la porte test nem yala bam bini ma be shakam ka bora kar kunye joam ye toa ni cham ni ma ya kana chebo mala t-shirt ka ko ka bola ne PK1 la PK1 wa de yala do fiel pam dinan ka min ayidana ina be mal shilni ko ya kam borni le i charta ne kayira into bang yen no sham yusel la patu kolati maya ay borla antu nyele PK go bala bi alhaji Mohammed sen bi an contact ma do kam za ha antu nyele PK1 o maya ya to borma ne to poka pa supernatural green tea bo bani la bombe arsike timma pour ka programme ma kare kanama yombe kan to dinan ka borla la ti ma antu nyele alhaji PK go bala antu nyele alhaji Mohammed sen to mo sen bala ma antu nyele irin ashi sakina okay ap ti ma nguna hadu be sa radio kala bi Mr. Ibu social dem bi sakpalati sama antu nyale ni wana sa hanal banye lati moma de fiel pam dinan kan ni sal mal stroke be irin wula o mala irin diabetes be punu nyale be patale sornam yeto antu musa den ma sa ha antu nyale green tea moma nyuriya de kan mana karanye balle ti kam za hamalla dem fiel insante to shaya ka ne to nyor le kala la dulo ma kara fugi dinan ka to mal tabyan pam za chan ashite ko bi tin valbo ni ko pam mama nan ba sulu yen nyale ka la nyor la ti moma ka la mal ala fi santa ya all right man pu nyala yebandam sa hanyala bambe arsikiti ma pu ka programme kanama NTV cheche barba la ba de biare ba dum wane chelo zai Yes, kapa no ni mwanye de nyama ya. Okay, yes, man yela Unique Laundry num gba de simse no puka pa pam. Yes, Unique Laundry yela dem be stadium roundabout akumale in chen ala play park ko no ma puli. Unique Laundry yela bam bi an musa so pu kana pa casino guest house. Ben yela bam bi pam ma pu no pam. Din kamal sitra bi ne ma den dai antu pam amaka min ko hayu tabiya na won ga fara bon pa ande ma fi yela ga santa bang ma nyale ketin sinyali ni de no kun yela kara dai ban yam pa ala kara ku ven yela ka ayone lolo kam ka bi bentu sang la pa ga na bi bentu kara ti ga ne ma all right ne le nya ban nan ban sang la ta ya ban pu ka pa ba bi ni ma de sa ha pa awai no kam za hatum ne tuma ni ma ya all right din chen ka na ku bo ma pun yela yam salek shi na bene ka tri drop a king of kings anta ya all right said ni bona na shamia lyrics in that song ma you to abi repune mbor na ko from the beginning. I mean you drop it, I mean punch by punch, lyric by lyric at the woman let's go.
All right,
woman rap.
Yeah. Tamanema, I greet you. Okay. She family, I feel you. I appreciate the things you do. I swear nobody go fit you. Me that no could make it. The rap test money fail. Never never rap crown man. Now when you call the Casadik take it. So who be the winner? If put up on you me a tida. I pull in yama. My better slow. Unguru ni kachita. She is a table so dab. Now be like nyanga tam come. Even now who small boy. Become a shabby. You was a dentin. So they can bless you. I never could take my rich. And why your question who be the best? If be like second, nobody be first. So nigga make you do the test. I cannot tell Thomas you go regret me. Mama kata bugo to be sure you make you do the best. Even if some rappers have tell us you don't kuna ma da banya ma. So what the work rappers move back the bottom rapper ma kana. Na bi bien me kalum deni. Na besale no manga. Those who ball man rap king. Go ask the fans them know that. It's a David the rap boss. Tamali I need the support. Mbon ni tenga kran. Tichika bo the power of love. Kitu na yes ma brain crew. So ma rap man bien too. Zuku rappers but ba free po ba shebo kuto di go. Rapper ma pana. Tamale rap baba. The rap battle la low battery. Come yana today the charger. King Guda God go bless you. Amsterdam, thank you. Don't forget to dust research sessions. I feel you. So, Rabanyasa, but it's a Banach rap, can do painter. I never they walk alone. So, I too, you are in danger. You are Shila Yilisaka Saka, Bezajela Nyanga. So, I try in Aquasuka, be as a Sabayula Nyanga. I won't be a Yamadukura, the Rapper Kura. I feel him on Pura, Namakadukunyama, the Tuma, the Uma, the Suma, Uboy Mambofora, a big boy, Tamale gets not a board of Rakapura. I got to SKY, Babylon, you will make a boot type. 69 fast. Because what's up? I need to feed the punch. Yes, I take the classic. I want to look at the classes. And rap me chega fancy. This is Bolmaga down fancy. I take out rap James Bond. Shout out to Rap King Kong. You know that from show to show together, but now we did talk. I want to bang my full free. I like a born the shishi. Babuti, Tinimuti, Katita, but what's up the fatty? Rando, food I can do. You know that Yelta can do. Black Eku, you can get like a Zanwara zone too. I'm a killer Bolmacona. So they can fancy Zuya. Shout out to all the northern singers here. Don't sing it. Desire. They can complete. This year, Nkuti Yagabi Tomka. I'm on my feet. Yuruguya. Hey, what's up, Brad? Just click. I don't singing. So put a breaking record. Shebu Gis. Aba. Anotaya. Final Ghana, Kenyaita. Interla Eba me Egusi sponsored by 1 night. I'm not for one with star. But shop name and pen pal. Nakata Zamon number about rap. They should just down. Yeah, Lily K. Kamastone. Big ups to KKC. And it doesn't hate life. You are the genius. Abu Sade. Mama Rams. I'm a dad. High Life Nation. No man ever take you over. Johnny just come. JJC. Agree to Sheriff Gale. I call him Reggae Daddy. And I put me Kawundo Hila, Omini Beroki Mwali. But I take over the journey. Be flesh. Hey, Abeni. They see Abada. Sherifa to Gunu, my baby. Shishi. Viala, what's up?
That's what we're talking about. You try from California. Rap Karakupo, like Kanye timing, ma. Kanye style, ma. Kanye punches, ma, in rhyme, ma. Kabin Shakamaza, Karachana, Kado, the Villalangaya. The Chaka Shozam, Omwalocom, that take about Pompicom. Manda Punyala, you pass, ma, Tile, and Pama Kabankamaya. Don't want to stop shell tune that. But I'm going to Tule. Didn't come any unit who you had the shop in the Takapanyone. TV sounds on patent DV. Was the whole rapper, but a language, everybody understand that. Couple of years to Ashel Mark, I'll be fully. Here I'm your language, the Natapan. Yeah, the Chicas, you have a language is not a barrier. Language did not happen. I don't know Kasu rapper, cherry. You want to come here, no tweaker. Captain Young can beat the rapper, because they don't understand what people are saying. So, little comes one rapper, I can't do people balance and Kabina Guargan, the Gila Pune, Karamanda, Jim Nguaran and Banane, Yamba, number one son of a rapper, Belamaya. So, Yelman, no, I know I believe when I am a dancehall artist.
No, like, mom, like, Niye sound engineer, my little creative beat, okay. Can tell my feeling come and sing.
Okay.
So we come and sing.
Okay, don't know my dance or Biela, come here, Biel Fukabunya, which I Sama Gare, let's go.
Hey, them want to stop us, them want to raise us, them want to kill us, but them no reach us, see man not focus, and them might eat us, them cannot touch us, so you want to protect us, see them are envy, about the meaning them want to break me, but Jaja guide me, the commission she tamale pabo daddy, the badesa teaching on the whole country, only part them won't bring me down, that my shishi be me and they run the town, now for them one slow it down, 10 times I go fall, 10 times I go rise, only part them won't bring me down, that my shishi be me and they run the town, I'm a born king, that's why I the blow, I deserve the crown. If you want throw me for DC, throw me for Gotham, still I go survive. This I have to cross that's why I did survive.
You want to make a Sadik Shishi, one sound of poor Mazo on the Chania, NTV Kagoma, some number was on the no corner Yishamaza, Hakamal Corson, Kupama, was up a little number, but send a video on the mother Lincoln Tire, then you get 02488160665. Once again, number 02488160665. Vodafone Babiani, then 020-060-6771. 020-060-6771. The two numbers no matter the pattern TV no matter Anto Copel, Yomaka Baby Cantana, Kaba High, the Kaba send video no more Santaya. To some Magare Select, Mumunka Bona Poe, then we look at the way forward. We okay, first Martelema. From here, what is coming next after King of Kings?
Accident.
Okay,
Ikman Zilko my video. Okay,
no, quick one. This so can time. Shabia, I will well be you. No, but this time around, they are around in the system.
I mean, you know, like, no, look at my TV.
I bought it in George Cliff. No, I bought it in Nishabia. Now, well be you. I bought it in Macasio. Like years ago,
okay,
okay,
alright. So, who recorded the song? About 50 songs.
So that means long time.
So you don't know what to get me. We told them could be come 1 year.
So, show me and the case, man. So now, one now who come and boy Shama, Banany Kings, Banany like Kings, man. You mean you're king of all of them?
First, man, you know, man, I'm born now explaining it anyhow. I didn't but didn't get different.
Alright, so come book I mean, I'm sure they're not engaging because if you are mad in no reason, I mean, you definitely work it out. Yes, more personally, more than a general. I mean, I've seen people invest in music. This guy is a different personality. Yeah, maybe not talk to some Leonia come here in Nero, I mean, this guy spend without any fear. Going to the big ups to you, man. I promise you this. I mean, that's a great investment. Sometimes there are little come so bien. On talk to be one hit song. Cannot show one. So let's just believe that. I mean, it is very, very great. Float on channel interview the member I mean, if we tell you the money involved, you also know that the guys will spend it. So big ups to you, Sheriff General and Balama. Thank you so much. And the whole team, the way you are supporting this brand, I mean, it's very great. So, can put on DJ, the presenter is Bambiani. I mean, someone is investing into Italian. Let's try and we push it along. And Yenya Unsoma, Tinian Pusho Chanshamia, Manjala, Yeditan Catabora, no competition. The mignon de bit de Shabakatans, to put the rapper and rapper me, but singer and singer me, be dance holler, dance holler, beaten and Kavachika in the check at the Choco jump for some pa. Is a carrot in Yamba, the million Sharia. Alright, take a Yazaka Power comes a Hagba program. You will make Cantana, Mapuyala, number of Jerka, because to you, DJ Tukuyaro. Yes, I mean, Team Winner stay, Maza. Thank you so much. Before Maza, it's just that I don't have a number. So, never tell my number one, because I'm not telling big after the girls, them. I did, just that I don't get numbers, but I take out. Alright, one of the Vegas Basta, the sister Mama Indo in Bakayoko. Yes, Abubakar Bakayoko, Amina, the Pukapa, the medical and so Balama, the Pukapa of the United Kingdom of Leia Sankara, the Payendi blood, I like the Pukapa. Yes, the Kana one, yeah, can Canada, you are coming on Yetava, the King Berry, I mean, Yama, Yavi Sabajala will be there, the Yamasa and the Pukapa. Alright, go and now you have to you have to be to Manaya Santa. You have to Yes, you can use a couple of questions. So I guess one person who got one person who alright, couple of watch out, I didn't know alright, that was very good. I mean, I'm going to be part of it. Yes, the team must have thank you so much. They must support their own social media, what's happening, even chat. So I will do this. So thank you so much. Abigail has always wanted in charge of the camera. Yes, the production team has another Sadiq is inside the MC area. Sadiq Boro, Sadiq Bobby MC area. Thank you so much. We appreciate Chakanya. We carry the video and movement to the video. Yeah, bye.